Welcome to Oba-chan's Japanese class. Welcome to Oba-chan's lunch.
Okay, I'll have food. Hi, Oba-chan.
はい。お名前は
Jones です。
ジョーンズさんですか、今日は。
Which one do I start with normally?
Soup.
Soup? So this isn't miso, you said it's a different kind.
おすまし。
Osumashi.
はい。
So we just, we have to say, itadakimasu.
はい、いただきます。
Itadakimasu.
はい、お箸持ってください。お箸。これはお箸です。
お箸。
お箸です。
And then for the soup?
はい、いただきます。どうですか？おいしい？
Oishi means taste good, I know that. Parsley?
パセリです。
Parsley.
はい。
So that's, you said Italian parsley?
はい。
And then is that a little bit of lemon
はい。
zest?
レモンゼストです。
And we have
豆
tofu.
腐。
What's the soup base?
Fish broth。じゃあいただきましょう。これは卵焼き。卵焼き。ちょっとこれ隠してね。
What's that mean?
彼ら。
That's just a camera phone. So what does itadakimasu mean exactly?
いただきます means I receive it. Means I receive food. Means thank you for the food.
Yeah, thank you for the food.
どういたしまして。
So what do you think of my cut hair now?
おー、見せて。
All gone.
髪の毛がない。いいよ、とってもいい。いい
Nice
means
now.
good.
See, I don't like it. I look bald in the front. Probably see from that angle. That's okay. What's the word for bald? Hige?
ハゲ。
Hage.
はい、
What's hige?
ヒゲは
Oh, mustache.
Beard.
Hage means bald.
はい。じゃあいただきましょう。
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah,
これ
yeah.
は卵。これは鶏チキン。
Tori.
これはキュウリ。
キュウリ。
キュウリ。エビ。
Ebi.
エビ。これはほうれん草。
ほうれん草。
Spinach with soy sauce, sugar, and
Sesame.
sesame seeds. これはおにぎりです。お
I
にぎ
like
り
that.
ね。
Onigiri are rice balls with a filling wrapped in seaweed.
I just put sour plum.
Kiuri.
キュウリとお酢とお砂糖とレモンゼスト、それからセサミオイルを入れました。これはいちごです。
Ichigo.
いちごです。
Alright.
はい、いただきま
And
す。
this is a sweeter tomato?
ちょっとね、
Usually?
はい、スイートです。
So it
甘
goes
い
sweeter.
甘い。はい、
Amai is sweet.
いただきます。
Very soft.
甘い。 少し。
Not that sweet. Tomago. I'm trying to eat a lot, like Eric said. So Bachan's favorite YouTuber. Supposed to eat this with your hand, right?
はい、いいですよ。
My favorite way of eating.
はい、どうぞ。
She's yelled at me through all the years eating all the food with my hands. Simplest, best way to get the exact amount of bite you want instead of, the utensils. Putting elbows on the table rude or no?
はい、
It is rude?
ダメです。
Alright.
ダメ means no good.
Just learn something.
ダメ no good.
Plum filling. So what is the name of this type of onigiri?
梅干しのおにぎり。
Ume
梅干しサワープラム
umeboshi
のおにぎり。
no onigiri. Did I say that right? Umeboshi.
梅干し。
Umeboshi. Now what about talking with your mouth full in Japan? Is that okay?
ダメです。
Really?
鳥です。 鶏。
Now, is there anything on it?
あ、これは醤油、ソイソー
A
ス
little
と
bit
ち
of soy sauce chicken.
ょっとシュガー、
It's like a sweet soy sauce.
とレッドペッパー。
So what is bento exactly? Not talking with her mouth full.
Bento is lunch box. You know, when you go to school, I put some food in a square box. That's bento. どうですか?
Oishiso. No, that's not right. Oishi. Oishiso.
Oishiso means looks good.
Yeah.
Oishi is it's good.
Yeah, we learned oishiso before. Where if a girl in Japan says oishiso to me, that's good. No, we cleared that. That's good.
If girls say
Or guys. What if guys say oishiso?
You can't say oishiso to people.
I'm starting the new trend. That's gonna be the new thing. Try out saying oishiso to someone you like.
And oh, you look tasty.
Yeah. Just like, what is that movie? Silence of the Lambs, right? Ichigo. And strawberries in Japan are very good, I must say.
Right.
But they range in all different types of prices from, you know, what, like a bundle for $2, and then they have like $60 ones. The $15 ones are ridiculously juicy. That's the most expensive ones I've had. And have you had the white strawberry yet?
Yeah.
I had one white strawberry recently. I had a butler-themed cafe for women. It was called Swallowtail in Ikebukuro. Swallowtail is one of the strangest things I've ever done. Good time. It was a white ichigo in a jelly. While these butler men tried, as I was the only male there. And I just wanted to get a coffee. And then Google Maps said that is the nearest cafe. That's where I ended up. Really strange. Eggplant to hold the chopsticks.
Hi, Nasubi.
Nasubi. That's one of my favorite shows in Japan. Nasubi Hagen. Remember the eggplant man?
知らない。
ナスビ。しかしこの男の顔。長い。
He got locked into a room for 2 years. And they filmed him. Maybe it was 2 years, I don't know, maybe it was 1. I will show you. It's ridiculous. Nasubi. To show where they locked this Japanese guy up. He could have walked out the door at any second, but he didn't even try. Don't talk with your mouth chewing.
OK, じゃあもうごちそうさまにしましょうかね。
So we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna eat the rest of this later. You don't have to watch us eat the whole thing. Now, what is the phrase? Gochi-so-sama?
ごちそうさま
Deshita.
でした is fine.
Deshita?
ごちそうさまでした
Gochi-so-sama deshita.
Or you can just say ごちそうさま
So what does that mean technically?
Again, thank you very much. Thank you for the good meal.
Yeah. Thank you, Oba-chan.
どういたしまして
But I say doink itashimashite.
どうい
Doink.
たしまして
Doink itashimashite.
Or don't touch my mustache. Don't touch my mustache.
That's
Don't
what it
touch
means?
No, it sounds like don't touch my mustache.
Oh.
どういたしまして
Alright, that does it for Oba-chan's lunch. I don't know what she's talking about.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
どういたしまして
Tastes very good.
どういたしまして Like and subscribe to Oba-chan's class, please.
じゃあね。
じゃあ